Okay, we're gonna put the unit underneath the timer here. So the magnets on back just stick right underneath the unit. And I've already wired this up so you can kind of see the wires, a bunch of them running through and connecting to the battery terminals, and then coming out the other side. To the 90-degree bent Hall sensor bracket, and that's the 3-way with the pressure gauge. Still using the existing pressure sensor. The magnets are now around the reel like numbers on a clock. This one has 16. 8 is the minimum. 16 is better. The more input, the better. The more consistent we can see the travel speed. And if we miss a magnet, we'll be able to tell. But for the most part, this is set and ready to go. Just got to plug in everything.